If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our Luna Classic video update. Yesterday, the place that I left you with Luna Classic update was here, that we potentially came down, and we're now starting to kind of bottom out for Luna Classic as well. There's still targets pending to the downside. I don't know if it's gonna happen or not. Who knows, this can actually be the start of an uptrend, but it seems like you're having this low right here and you're making a higher high, right? So this is like let's say a low and a higher high. So there's a little bit of an uptrend starting, but it doesn't mean that we didn't have one here. We had one there, we had one here, but it ended up coming down as well. So the reason why I'm still not very sure about the bottom is because of the following. So right now you are at two major resistances, and one resistance is going to be this 10 and the 20. The 10 and the 20 is acting as a big resistance. Previously you pumped up to the 55. You caught up with the 55, and then from there it was a fall to the downside, and now you are at this particular area again, and you are also at this point of resistance. So be careful today, and if you start to break out of it, that will be a very good sign. But what I want to say is the following. You can see that if I try to put in this trend line right over there, this is where we do have the whole resistance thing. So I'm just going to drop it right over there. All right, so removing off the EMAs. So number one was the 10 and the 20 being as big resistance. You have this resistance right there, that resistance right over here, you have this resistance there, you have this one right over here, support. Now you have support right there, and this was a good sign that this was supposed to start to move to the upside as well, right? But it didn't work out, and then all you did is again, so this is what basically happened as far as I can interpret things. If you went down like this and you try to break above, you did break above, you made the bullish closing, but then again the retest happened, but the retest failed, and now it's trying to again try to break out of that resistance. So today is going to be important. You have this resistance now, you have the EMAs as the resistance almost over there, and how the daily closes is important. Can you pump and make a bullish closing again just like you did here? Okay, fine, amazing, very good sign right there. But we also need the retest, back test, and then make a confirmation that hey, we're interested to go up. Otherwise this can actually be a place where you end up in 15 hours, because the daily candles closes in 15 hours, and you close in red, and then from here you start to even move lower and finally go to 10,000, which is pending on the charts actually. So that's pretty much it for this update on Luna Classic. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.